Alright, here's the Hunter Coastal Breeze ceiling fan on my test rig. I finally found the way to got it up. All I just had to do is pull the wires so it can go through the down rod. And the blades are pretty badly bent on this fan. So it is going to be pretty wobbly. I tried bending them back, but I don't want to do it without breaking them. I don't want to risk breaking the blade brackets. So I'm going to have to get some new blade brackets for this one. So yeah, here it is. It's going to be pretty wobbly. So here's all. It's going to be pretty wobbly in reverse too. So I'm going to probably hold it in reverse. So I did find a way to get the Coastal Breeze up. It's finally running on my test rig for the first time. For the first time in forever. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, one of the blades is bent down. That's pretty ashamed. Their blades are pretty bent out of shape. It is pretty wobbly on low. It's going to be wobbling on all the speeds. So here's medium. It's going to be a pretty slow medium. Even though Hunter fans are pretty slow. It's pretty wobbly. Center's high. High's going to be pretty wobbly. So pretty wobbly on high. Feel some air from it. Yeah. Whoa, it's pretty wobbly. Spin down. So yeah, it's not using a Hunter mount, it's using the mount for the SMC, which fits this fan. Yeah. So maybe we'll have to find a Hunter mount from another Hunter. It can probably be really from a broken Hunter fan. The blades, oh no, it's pretty bent. It's really ugly with the bent blades. So I'm going to have to try bending the blades back without breaking them. Our reverse is going to be pretty wobbly. Reverse. When I got this fan, I got it from Dump, and it did not have a mounting system, and did not have a down rod too. So I could barely install this fan on the test rig. I just had to floor test it. So yeah, finally got it up. So here's low reverse. It's gonna be pretty wobbly in reverse. I'm gonna be really careful so the down rod doesn't come off. I'm gonna hold it tight. Because medium reverse. It's pretty wobbly. Wobbles a little more in reverse. High reverse I'm gonna show really quickly. Whoa, it's pretty wobbly. Yeah, that is it. Finally, I got the Hunter Coastal Breeze on my test rig. Yeah, it's pretty wobbly because this thing will need new blade arms. Thanks for watching.